Welcome back to the channel. It's Nigel from Adventure Caravanners. Today I'm going to be looking at 15 basic essential items required for your caravan. Now this is predominantly aimed at new caravanners, so stay tuned.
You know how to work it. Work it.
Okay, like I said, we're going to look at these 15 basic essential items we feel are required for when you're caravanning. And like I said, it's really aimed this vlog at new to caravanning. So number one, which we feel is a wheel lock or wheel clamp. Very, very essential bit of kit. I recommend that obviously to anyone. You're going to need a wheel lock or wheel clamp of some sort. Number two is a hitch lock, which engaged at the front of the caravan, so no one can actually attach anything to the front end of your caravan. So another essential bit of kit for caravanning is a hitch lock. Number three is a caravan extension mains lead. They normally come in 25 meters. Most cases when you buy a new and second-hand caravan, it does come with a caravan extension lead, but again, if they've not got them in a second-hand one, caravan extension lead is extremely required. Predominantly come in 25 meters. Number four, a leveling system. When I say a leveling system, you might go to some uneven pitches, whether it's hard standing or grass and it's uneven the surface. So you're going to need some sort of leveling system. Number five, a torque wrench. You're definitely going to need a torque wrench. Before we set off at every journey, I always make sure that the nuts and the caravan nuts and bolts are all torqued up to the required manufacturer's standard, which is in obviously your handbook in your caravan. So a torque wrench. Number six is a tyre pressure gauge, which is really important. Again, every journey before we set off and every journey when we're leaving a caravan park or caravan site, we check the tyres to make sure that they're in the correct pressure. So a tyre pressure gauge, number six. Number seven, again, before we set off, a nose weight gauge. They go at the front of your caravan and they basically test the nose weight of your caravan to make sure you're within the required standard. Number eight is, again, towing mirrors. For years we've had the clip-on towing mirrors, like plastic clips and clip on the side of your wing mirrors. We've now purchased some nice Malenko towing mirrors and they are absolutely fantastic. So towing mirrors, number eight. Number nine, a bottle jack. If you need, obviously, to jack the caravan up, if you've got the Alco wheel locks and you've got a twin axle caravan, you might need a bottle jack to jack the caravan up to get the second wheel lock or hitch lock onto the wheel. So a bottle jack's very, very important. Number 10 is a head torch, whether it's a normal torch or just a head torch. Very essential bit of kit. You might get to a site in the afternoon and it's just going dark. At least a head torch, you can see what you're doing and it'll help you put, say, perhaps an awning up or peg stuff down when it's just getting dark. So a head torch, number 10. Again, water barrel, very, very important. When we start off caravan, we managed to get hold of a 60-litre water barrel. I believe they do them in 40 litres now, Aquarol. And again, you know, a water barrel is an essential bit of kit you're going to need for caravanning. Something I purchased about a year ago, a Tyre Inflator. Very, very good piece of kit, you know, and again, you can check your car tyres and your caravan tyres prior to your journey, and obviously once you're leaving a caravan site, you can check them again. So yeah, Tyre Inflator number 12. One thing I think which is really a, essential bit of kit, a collapsible bucket. That's number 13, a collapsible bucket. Really good bit of kit. I've got the collapsible bowl there behind me, which is really good. But yeah, collapsible bucket is a very useful bit of kit for filling your water up, and things like that. Number 14 is definitely a waste master. Once you're washing up and you're using the sink, you're going to need the waste master, which connects at the side of your caravan. They normally last about 3 to 4 days before you need to replace them, empty it and replace it. But yeah, a waste master. And number 15, which we feel is finally, everyone's got their own opinion on what products they use, but we use Thetford. You get the Thetford Blue, which is for your waste, and for your flush, we use the pink Thetford toilet fluids, which we've always used. I know other caravanners have got their own opinion on what they use, but we've always used Thetford, and we've stuck to Thetford. So they're the 15 we feel basic, essential items required for caravanning. And like I said at the start of the video, this is predominantly aimed at new to caravanning. So if you like the channel, please give it the thumbs up. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And the final thing I'd like to say is keep safe and well. Until the next time, bye bye for now.
You